Chemical properties of metals and non-metals. The important chemical properties of metals are its electropositive nature, reaction with oxygen, and displacement reaction. Metals form basic oxides on reaction with oxygen. A more reactive metal always displaces a less reactive metal from its solution. Metals lose electrons and form positive ions in most chemical reactions. Metals react with water depending on their position in the reactivity series. Most metals react with dilute acids to produce salt and hydrogen. Reaction with oxygen. Metals react with oxygen forming metal oxides. These oxides are basic in nature. Metals like sodium and potassium react vigorously with oxygen forming sodium oxide and potassium oxide. 4Na plus O2 gives 2Na2O. 4K plus O2 gives 2K2O. Na2O is sodium oxide and K2O is potassium oxide. Reaction with oxygen, the next metal we have to learn is magnesium. Magnesium burns brightly in air forming magnesium oxide, and the reaction is 2Mg plus O2 gives 2MgO. Zinc and lead react with oxygen forming a protective coating of an oxide layer. 2Zn plus O2 gives 2ZnO, zinc oxide. 2Pb plus O2 gives 2PbO, lead oxide. Zn is symbol for zinc and Pb is symbol for lead. Copper reacts with oxygen to form copper oxide which gets deposited on the surface of the metal. 2Cu plus O2 gives 2CuO, copper oxide. Gold, platinum and silver do not react with oxygen. They are known as noble metals. Displacement reaction is one of the most important reactions of metals. A more reactive metal will always displace a less reactive metal from its salt solution. Consider the case of iron and copper. Iron is more reactive than copper, so iron will displace copper from copper sulfate solution. When an iron nail is dipped in copper sulfate solution, after some time the copper sulfate solution becomes pale green due to the formation of ferrous sulfate solution. This change in color depicts displacement reaction. Reaction with water. Metal reacts with cold water or steam depending on their position in the reactivity series. Like sodium, potassium and calcium react vigorously with water forming alkaline solution of hydroxide with the liberation of hydrogen gas. And the reaction is 2Na plus twice H2O giving 2NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide plus H2 hydrogen, and there is an upward arrow you may see here that represents the gas state. 2K plus 2H2O gives 2KOH, potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Ca plus 2H2O gives calcium hydroxide CaOH whole twice plus hydrogen gas. This is a peculiar property of releasing hydrogen gas when any metal reacts with water. Calcium hydroxide formed by the reaction of calcium with water actually forms a layer on the surface of the metal, that is calcium, and this prevents further reaction. Reaction with magnesium. When magnesium reacts with cold water, it is a slow reaction, but violently with steam to form magnesium oxide and hydrogen. Mg plus H2O gives MgO plus hydrogen gas. MgO is magnesium oxide. Aluminium, zinc and iron react very slowly with steam. Gold, copper and silver do not react with cold water or even steam. They are noble metals. Now let us discuss chemical reactions of metals with acids. Most metals react with dilute acids to produce salt and hydrogen gas. For example, sodium and potassium react vigorously with dilute hydrochloric acid with the liberation of tremendous amount of heat. 2Na plus 2HCl gives 2NaCl plus H2 gas. Na is sodium, metal, HCl is acid, hydrochloric acid. 2NaCl was salt. Similarly, potassium reacts with hydrochloric acid to give potassium chloride and hydrogen gas. Magnesium, calcium, zinc and aluminium also react with dilute hydrochloric acid, liberating hydrogen gas. Mg plus 2HCl gives MgCl2 plus H2. Zn plus 2HCl gives ZnCl2 plus hydrogen gas H2. ZnCl2, that is zinc chloride, is a salt. Similarly, when aluminium reacts with hydrochloric acid, Al plus HCl, it gives aluminium chloride, 2AlCl3 plus hydrogen gas. Iron reacts very slowly with dilute hydrochloric acid. Fe plus 2HCl gives FeCl2 plus H2.